Okay. So yesterday we have completed up to question number 2, exercise 3.6. So today we are going to start from the question number 3. So all of you read the question number 3. All of you read the question number 3. Have you understood?
Sir, read.
Okay. Oh, Dipanita,
Sir, yes.
is my voice is audible to you?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So read the question number 3. Have you understood the question? To question number 3. So for the question says, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. Okay. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the speed of the bus respectively. That means see, for when Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, that means suppose this is the your A position, and from this position Ruhi travel, her home is at B. Okay, so and the total distance is given. The distance between the initial point and the final point is your 300 kilometers. 300 kilometers. So all of you draw the figure in your classwork copy. Now Ruhi starts from here, position place A. Okay, but what happens? She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train. That means up to 60 kilometer. That means suppose this is 60 kilometer. So suppose this is your point C. Suppose so up to 60 kilometer, she travel by train. And what is the remaining? What is the remaining distance? CB or BC? What will be the remaining distance? Anyone? Anyone? What will be the remaining distance? Tell me, Bhaswati, tell me. What will be the remaining distance?
Sir, 100 kilometer.
No. To tell your distance is 300 kilometer. She travels 60 kilometer by train, and the remaining she traveled by bus. So what is the remaining distance? Just subtract 60 from 300, so it will be 240. Yes or no? Aswati, can you hear me? Aswati? So it will be 240 kilometers. Dipandita, can you hear me?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Now see, this is 60 and this will be 240 kilometers. Now this distance she travels by train and this distance she travels by bus. And during the whole journey, she takes how much time? She takes 4 hours. She takes 4 hours. This is the case 1. This is the case 1. This is the case 1. What is the case 2? Case 2 is if she travels 100 kilometers, so the distance is same. Now case 2 is what? Case 2 is instead of 60 kilometers, now she travels 100 kilometers by train. Now she travels 100 kilometers by train. And remaining distance, what will be the remaining distance? What will be the remaining distance? Anyone? Divjyoti?
200 kilometer.
Yes, 200 kilometers. So 200 kilometers she travels by bus. Now she takes how much time? 10 minutes longer. That means here she takes 4 hours. But here she takes 4 hours 10 minutes. 10 minutes longer compared to the previous one. So you have to find the speed of the train and the speed of the bus. Okay, do you understand the question, all of you? Bhaswati? Bhaswati, can you hear me? Bhaswati?
Sir, yes.
Do you understand the question?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Now see, write down all of you. Let the speed of the train let the speed of the train let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and speed of the bus be y kilometer per hour. Now, so you have to write down the equation in terms of what? Time. Yes or no? You have to write down the equation in terms of time. So how can you write down the equation in terms of time? Now see, we know speed equal to what? Distance by time.
Distance by time.
Yes, so time will be equal to distance by speed. So you have to apply this formula. Now see, for 60 kilometer, for traveling 60 kilometer, what will be the time? So as an F1 question, for traveling 60 kilometer, what will be the time? Time will be 60 by x. Yes or no?
X.
And for traveling 240 kilometer, what will be the time? Because that speed will same. Yes or no? The speed, this distance she travel with the train. Yes or no? This distance she travel with the train, and this distance she travels with the bus. So what will be the time of this to cover this distance? BC. Haswati?
240 by y.
Yes, good. 240 by y. Because from C to B, she travel by bus. So that's why the speed of the bus is y equal to how much? Equal to 4.
4.
Yes, no, this is the first equation. So this will be the first equation. Again for this equation, let me see. You have to draw these two figure. Okay. Then I done this one and what will be the second equation? Now what will be the second equation? Anyone? Anyone? Now?
So 100 by
Yes, 100
x
by x
plus
plus
200 by y
200 by y equal to how much?
equal to
4 hours 10 minutes. That means 4 plus, now minutes you have to convert into what? Hour? Yes or no? Do you understand?
yes.
Yes. Do you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first equation is your 60 by x plus 240 by y equal to 4. Second equation is your 100 by x plus 200 by y equal to 4 plus 10 by 60. Now see, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now if you break this, it will be how much? 6 by 25. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
So this one 100 by x plus 200 by y 25 by 6. Okay. This will be equation number 2. Now, how can you solve that equation? 2 equation? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone can tell me how can you solve this 2 equation? Haswati? Haswati, do you hear me? Haswati? Can you hear me?
Sir,
Yes, tell me. You have to let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Then,
okay.
so write down. Let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v and substituting the values in equation number 1 and 2, we get 60u plus 240v equal to 4. This is the equation number 3. And 100x plus 200v equal to 25 by 6. Okay, this is equation number 4. Now solve this two equation by elimination method, and after finding this u and v, you can find the value x and y. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Now see, don't multiply it. Keep it like this. Okay. Now see, to eliminate this one, you have to multiply 1 by 10 and multiply 2 by 6. Then it will be 600. If you multiply this one by 10, it will be 600u plus 2400v equal to 40. And it will be 600. No, it will be not x. It will be u. Yes or no? So it will be 600u plus, if you multiply this by 6, so 600u plus your 1200v. And now see, if you multiply this equation by 6, 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So it will be 25. That's why keep it like this. Now if you subtract 4 from 3, then this u, the u terms will get cancelled, and remaining term is v. So from here you can find the value of v, and after finding the value of v, you can put the value of v in any of these two equations. Then you can find the value of u, and after finding u and v, you can find the value of x and y. And this is your required answers. Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So this will end our chapter, this one, exercise 3.6, as well as our this chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, this will end our chapter. Now see the optional exercise page number 68, exercise 3.7. Because here it says that optional, that means these exercises are not from the examination point of view. So this exercise is not for the basic, for a student who are taking the basic maths, but for a student who are taking the advanced maths, advanced mathematics, they have to see the optional also, because optional questions are present in the R.D. Sharma book. That's why. Okay. That's why you have to, for the those students who are taking advanced mathematics, they have to solve the optional also, but basic no need to solve the optional. Now I am going to solve this equation number 1. See the equation number 1, all of you, page number 68. Deepjyoti, see the page number 68, equation number 1.
Okay, sir.
Optional means this question a little bit tough. Read the question. So see what the question says, that the ages of two friends, Oni and Biju, differ by 3 years. Oni's father Dharam is twice as old as Oni, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kethi. The ages of Kethi and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Oni and Biju. Do you understand the question? Do you understand the question or not? Harshwati? Harshwati, can you hear me?
Sir, yes.
Yes. So, what is the first? That means how can you proceed? How can you proceed? So write down. Let the ages of Oni and Biju be. Write down. Let the ages of Oni and Biju be let the ages of Oni and Biju be X years and Y years respectively. So in the question says, see this one. Now there will be, now see, it is not mentioned in the question that whether Oni is your elder or Biju is elder. Yes or no? Here it is not mentioned that whether Oni is older or Biju is older. So now see, their ages are differ by 3 years. So write down, if Oni is older than Biju, if Oni is older than Biju, then what will be the equation? If Oni is older than Biju, their difference between their two ages is 3 years. So what will be the equation? Anyone? Haswati, Dipanita, anyone? Dibjyoti? Anyone? Haswati, what will be the equation? Oni's age is X and Biju's age is Y, and we let that Oni is older than Biju, and the difference of the ages is 3. So what will be the equation? X minus Y equal to 3. Do you understand the equation? Yes or no? Yes, Haswati? Dibjyoti, do you understand the question? Can you hear me? Unmute this one. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Response to me now. Now see, if Oni is older than Biju, then X minus Y will be 3. Now see, now if, write down if Biju is older than Oni, then what will be the equation? Haswati? If Biju is older than Oni, then what will be the equation? Anyone? Dipanita?
So y minus x.
Yes, it will be Y minus X equal to 3. Because if Oni is older, then it will be X minus Y. If Biju is older, then it will be Y minus X. Yes or no? So Y minus X, we can write minus X plus Y equal to 3. Yes or no? So now see the next your condition. Oni's father Dharam is twice as old as Oni, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kethi. What it says that Oni's father Dharam is twice as old as his Oni's. So Oni's age is X. So what will be the Dharam age? What will be the Dharam age? Dharam is the father of Oni, and Dharam age is twice as old as Oni. So what will be the Dharam age? Dharam age will be what? 2x.
2x.
Yes, 2x. And now see, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kethi. So what will be Kethi's age? Biju is twice as old as his sister Kethi. That means
2y.
no. Biju is twice as old. That means y equal to twice of Kethi. See the question. Biju is twice as old as his sister Kethi. Suppose Kethi's age is denoted by the name itself, Kethi. Then Biju's age is
Y by
twice.
2.
Yes, y by 2. Because Biju's age is y. So Biju's age is twice as old. So Biju's age is twice as old as Kethi. So Kathy's age will be y by 2. So write down and Kathy's age y by 2 years. Don't forget write down years, 2x years. Okay. Now see. Now clearly see this one. Thorame's is twice of x and Kathy's age is y by 2. So clearly what? Whose age is your more? Thorame's or Kathy's age? Whose age will be more? Thorame's or Kathy's age? Because Thoram is the father of Oni and Kathy is the brother of Biju, sorry, sister of Biju. So obviously Thoram age will be more than Kathy, no? And from here also 2x it will be y by 2. So write down clearly Thoram is older than Kathy. So now their ages of Kathy and Thoram differ by what? 30 years. That means the difference between the ages of Kathy and Thoram is 30 years. So how do the equation? Thoram is minus Kathy is equal to 30 years. Now if you solve this, if you take the LCM, it will be 2, then it will be 4x minus y equal to 30. So then it will be 4x minus y equal to 60. Yes? Yes or no? Now see,
Sir, yes.
we have 3 equations. This one, if Oni is older than Biju, then it will be x minus y equal to 3. If Biju is older than Oni, then y minus x equal to 3. And y minus x, we can add minus x plus y equal to 3. So we have to, first we have to make a pair with suppose this equation and this equation and this equation and this equation. Do you understand? That
Sir,
means,
yes.
yes. So write down, thus we have the following two system of linear equations. So write down, thus we have the following two equation of linear following two system of linear equation. In the first class, I have explained you what is system of linear equation. Yes or no?
Sir,
So
yes.
write down thus. Deepanya, can you hear me? We have.
Sorry.
Okay. So then thus we have the following two system of linear, we have only 10 minutes, okay, equation. Thus we have the following two system of linear equation. So first one write down x minus y, let me this one, x minus y equal to 3 and this one 4x minus y equal to 60. So this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. And write down, and next write down this one, minus x plus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 60. This one will be equation number 3 and this one will be equation number 4. That means you will get two value of x and two value of y. Clear? You will get two value of x and two value of y. Okay? You will get two value of x and two value of y. That means why? Because we don't know whether Oni is older or Biju is older. That's why. Okay? So solve these two equations. So solve these two equations, you will get two value. So all of you see this one. If you solve these two equations, x minus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 60, you will get x equal to 19 and y equal to 16. And when you solve these two equations, minus x plus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 60, you will get x equal to 21 and y equal to 24. So that means what? That means the age of Oni. So the final your statement will be, hence Oni's age is either 19 years or 21 years. Okay, so hence Oni's age is either 19 years or 21 years, and Biju's age is either what? Either 16 years or
24.
24 years. Do you understand?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Why? Because here it is not mentioned in the question whether Oni is your older or Biju is older. Yes, so we have to solve by this method. Okay. Now, this one. See the question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Do as a homework. Question number 2. Try at your home, and if you have any doubt, then ask me. I will explain tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Question number 2. Then, okay, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. These 4 questions. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do as a homework. Try at your home. And if you have any problem regarding this question, ask me in our WhatsApp group. I will explain tomorrow. Okay. And see the question number 6. So question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise 3.7. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Do as your homework. Now see the question number 6. Draw the graphs of the equation Iman. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by this line and the y-axis. I think this type of question we solve. Yes or no? Similar type of question.
Sir, yes.
Yes. So this one, that means you have to coordinates of the vertices of the. That means one triangle will be formed, and you have to find the vertices. That means you have to find the 3 points of the end points of the triangle. Okay. So this is also your homework, number 6. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 5 are your homework. Try at your home, all of you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, and I will explain tomorrow. Now, see the question number 7. Solve the following pair of linear equations. These are the very important questions for standard mathematics. Okay, so see the question number 1. See the question number 1, 7.1. Exercise 3.7, 7.1. What the question? This is the px. This is the px plus qy equal to p minus q, and qx minus py equal to p plus q. So to solve for x and y, that means now you can do these two equation by elimination method. So first give number 1, number 2. Now see, here q is there and here p is there. So how can you eliminate these two terms? Anyone? If you multiply this 1 by p, then it will be your p square x plus pqy. Then it will be p square minus pq. If you multiply this equation by q, then it will be q square x minus pqy. That is p plus pq plus q square. Up to this clear? Clear or not?
Sir, yes.
Now subtract 3 minus 4. Then see, it will be minus, not subtract, add 3 minus 4. So it will be this and this will get cancelled. So it will be p square plus q square x equal to pq and pq get cancelled. So p square plus q square. So what will the value x? X will be 1. Now if you put the value x in any equation, you can find the value y. Yes or no? Yes?
Sir, yes.
Yes. So today we'll end the class here. So do this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 homework. Again, we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. With science chapter. That means
Okay.
your science new chapter. Either it will be physics or chemistry. Okay. So thank
Okay,
you
sir.
all of you. So all of you show your face.